Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where keyboard behavior's live. Tap General, then Keyboard, and you'll see Predictive and other toggles. Make sure your phone is unlocked while you change options. Once you're on the keyboard screen, scan the list so you know where Predictive sits. Don't skip this step. It's the entry point to turning off suggestions. If you use multiple keyboards, note which one is active so you change the right settings. You'll see a Predictive switch. Flip it off to remove suggestion bars while typing. Once done, test in Messages or Notes to confirm the bar is gone. This is the why, because the toggle controls suggestion rendering system-wide. Make sure to inspect autocorrection and smart punctuation too, since they influence how text is modified. If you have multiple keyboards, go back to Keyboards and repeat the toggle per key. Finish by testing in several apps to ensure Predictive is fully off. You should see no suggestion bar when you type. If suggestions persist, restart your iPhone. This often applies pending changes. As a deeper fix, reset Keyboard Dictionary in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. That removes learned words. Make sure iOS is up to date, because bugs sometimes affect keyboard settings. If problems continue, contact Apple support for account-specific syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.